Salisbury steak became popular in the 1950s. It is a delicious way to use ground beef for a family-friendly meal. Spray a baking dish with baking spray and set it aside. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat, add your oil, and then add half of your onions. Sauté until clear, and then add your garlic and sauté another 30 seconds. Add this to the ground beef, along with the prepared mustard, Worcestershire sauce, the eggs, breadcrumbs, and half of the salt and half of the pepper. Brown your patties in your skillet that's been heating over medium-high heat. You're not going to want to cook these patties through, you're simply browning them on each side. Then add the remaining onion to your skillet. Add the cornstarch to your beef broth, along with the remaining salt, pepper, and red wine. Give your mushrooms a little time to saute and brown, but today I'm pressed for time. Add your beef broth mixture back to the pan. Be sure to scrape the bottom of the pan, as the pan drippings give flavor to the gravy. Once this comes to a boil, pour it over your patties. Seal with foil. And bake for about 25 minutes. Then serve over mashed potatoes or rice. Be sure to try my breakfast recipes like Dutch baby pancake, meatless meals like lentil burgers, and delicious desserts like blueberry cobbler. Thanks for watching.